And now to the coronavirus, where tonight deaths are rising in at least 17 states. One day this week, there was a death nearly every minute. CBS's David Begnaud reports from Florida tonight, where the death toll has broken records for 3 days straight. And now it looks like a hurricane is moving in.
The horrifying toll of coronavirus and the number of people who don't survive is soaring. For a third day in a row, Florida shattered its record for coronavirus deaths in a single day. This chart shows a stunning trend. Deaths are skyrocketing. In the U.S., more than 1,400 new deaths were reported on Wednesday. That's about one death every minute. Texas is now the latest state to surpass New York in total COVID cases, and they joined other hotspots such as California and Florida. The virus is also hitting Louisiana hard. That state is now leading the country in per capita cases. Why is Louisiana in that position?
People are not listening to the scientists, listening to the public health experts, and are not putting on masks.
That's adding to the debate over when and how to reopen schools. There's word today that infected children may carry 100 times the virus. It's still unclear how much virus they have and how infectious they are.
We have no good options for reopening schools. Certainly the level of transmission in the community is the most important factor.
Meanwhile, baseball could be running out of options. Today, the Philadelphia Phillies announced 2 staff members are infected. They canceled all home games until further notice. Those cases come in stark contrast to the NBA. No one has tested positive since those teams entered what's called a Florida bubble, where extra precautions are taken. Sidelines will have plexiglass, referee whistles will have cloth coverings. There is some promising news tonight on the race for a vaccine. Johnson & Johnson revealed that a clinical trial of their vaccine showed it prevented monkeys from getting the virus after exposure. And new research from the Mayo Clinic shows that vaccines for other diseases may actually reduce the risk of COVID-19. And one more sign of hope from survivors. The first COVID patients to receive a double lung transplant spoke today.
I just don't take a lot of things for granted. That you look back now and say, wow.
Back here in Florida, the COVID-19 testing sites statewide that are run by the state and the federal government are being closed. In fact, they're being torn down right now because there's a storm on the way. Isaias, it's a tropical storm headed toward Florida, could be a hurricane by tomorrow. As of now, the projection is the east coast of Florida will be affected, Nora, but it could make landfall here as early as Saturday.
A double whammy. David Begnaud, thank you.